Daf Yomi, Tractate Chullin, page 2, or Chullin Daf Bet. Congratulations to all of the Messiahim, those who completed the Menachot. And we start the new tractate of Chullin 2a with the new Mishnah, with the first Mishnah in the tractate Hakol Shochtin Ushchitatan Keshira Chutz Micheresh Shoter Vekatan Shema Yekar Klo Eshchitasan Chulan Shishachat Achedim Eroyin Oison Shchirasum Keshero. That's the Mishnah. The Mishnah says everyone slaughters an animal, meaning anyone can halakhically perform a valid slaughter, and their slaughter is kosher, it's valid, except for a deaf mute, an imbecile, and a minor, lest they ruin their slaughter because they lack competence. And for all of them, when they slaughtered an animal and others see and supervise them, their slaughter is valid. I'm not sure why they added this. And for all of them, when they slaughtered an animal and others see and supervise them, their slaughter is valid. Does that mean that every person needs to be supervised? Or does that mean that these three that are disqualified can be supervised? Okay, let's see what the Talmud says. Hakol shochatin lechatchila ushchitatan kshera diavad. There is an apparent contradiction between the Gemara actually addresses this very same question. This very same question, sorry, a little fly there. The Gemara actually addresses the same question. There's an apparent contradiction between the first two phrases in the Mishnah. The Tana begins, everyone slaughters an animal, indicating that their performing slaughter is permitted, ab initio. And then it teaches, and their slaughter is valid, indicating that their slaughter is valid only after the fact. Oh, maybe it's not exactly what I was asking. I was asking that why do they need to be supervised? Or if they need to be supervised, they should say it. So anyway, let's go further and see what happens. Amar le Rav Acha Bereid Rav Dravashi ve'akol lechatchilahu el me'ata akol mamirin echad anashim yachad nashim hachi nami lechatchilahu v'achitiv lo yachalifenu v'lo yamir oto tov v'ra or ra b'tov. Rav Acha, son of Rava, says Rav Ashi, and does every use of the term everyone indicate that the action in question is permitted ab initio, meaning, to begin with? If that is so, in the Mishnah in Tumura 2a, where it says everyone substitutes everyone can substitute a non-sacred animal for a sacrificial animal, both men and women, is that also an expression indicating that it is permitted right away? But isn't it written, he shall neither exchange it nor substitute it, good for bad, bad for good, Leviticus 27:10. This week's parsha coming up. Okay. Hasam kidikatani taime lo shehadam rashai lehamir yarashim heimir mumar v'sofeget ha'arba'im. Rav Ashi answers, there, the reason the Mishnah uses the word everyone is that it immediately teaches that is not to say that it is permitted for a person to substitute. Rather, it means that if one did substitute a non-sacred animal for a sacrificial animal, substitution takes effect. It means it works. It doesn't mean you should do it. And the one who substituted the non-sacred animal incurs 40 lashes that are the punishment for violating the prohibition nor substitute it. But here, since the Mishnah does not similarly qualify its statement It indicates that everyone may perform the slaughter ab initio. Elakol marichin v'ne'erochin noidorin v'nidorin hochanami delechatchilo. V'oketi v'chi techdal indo lo yeh b'chachet. Rav Acha challenges, but a Mishnah teaches in Erech 2a, everyone takes vows for valuation and is thereby obligated to donate to the temple treasury the value fixed by the Torah based on the age and gender of the person evaluated. When everyone is evaluated, and therefore one who vowed to donate his fixed value is obligated to pay, everyone vows to donate the market value of a person as a slave to the temple treasury and is thereby obligated to pay, and everyone is the object of a vow. If others vow to donate his market value, is that also an expression indicating that it is permitted ab initio, but it is written, and if you shall cease to vow, there shall be no sin in you. Deuteronomy 23:23, indicating that it is preferable not to vow. Uchetiv tov asher lo tidor mishetidor velo tishalem. V'tanya טוב מזה ומזה שאינו נודר כל עיקר, דברי רבי מאיר, ורבי יהודה אומר, טוב מזה ומזה נודר ומשלם אפילו רבי יהודה לא כאמר אלא באומר הרי זו. And it is written, it is better that you should not vow It is better that you should not vow than you should vow and not pay. It says in Kohelet, Ecclesiastes 5:4, and it is taught in a Braita with regard to that verse, better than both this one who vows and does not pay, and that one who vows and pays, is one who does not take a vow at all. This is the statement of Rabbi Meir. Rabbi Yehuda says, better than both this one who vows and does not pay, and that one who does not vow at all, is the one who vows and pays in fulfillment of that vow. Rabbi Acha comments, and even Rabbi Yehuda states his opinion only in a case where one vows and says, this animal is designated for sacrifice, as in that case, there is no concern that he will fail to fulfill his commitment, since even if the animal is stolen or lost, he is not required to bring another in its place. That's 2a, and we'll stop here.